Hello, in this quick video I want to show you how to change the time, the clock, AM, PM, on your Whirlpool Gold Series oven, and it doesn't matter what model that you have, they're pretty much self-explanatory. So as you can see here, this is the Gold Series, and you want to see the time here is 5:01 a.m., and I want to change it to 3:13 p.m. So first thing you do is you change your AM to PM or whatever, if it's PM to AM. Fairly simple to do. Only thing you have to do is just hit this clock once right here. And then you press 3 if you want this to be AM, or 6 if you want to be PM. So remember, 3:14 p.m. is the time. So I want to just press 6. Now I want to type in the full number. So I said what, 3:14? So 3:14, I want to do it just like this, 3:14. And that's it. In order to set it, the only thing you have to do is just click the little clock another time. And that's my new time. And that's how you change the clock on a Whirlpool oven. This is a Gold Series. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.